Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into your Apple ID now. Sign in on Applid. Apple, calm or open settings and tap your name. Once signed in, go straight to subscriptions or manage storage to see iCloud plus plans and billing. Make sure you have your Apple ID password and the 2FA device nearby because Apple will ask you to confirm identity. This prevents accidental loss of data. Once you've verified your account, you're ready to choose whether to cancel, downgrade, or transfer data off iCloud. Now cancel or downgrade using your preferred device. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, Subscriptions, select iCloud Plus and cancel. On Mac, open System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Manage, then change plan and choose Free 5 GB. If you have lots of photos or backups, make sure to download important files to a computer or external drive before finalizing the change, because storage reductions can delete data. Once you confirm the plan change, Apple schedules it. Finish by verifying the cancellation and taking care of billing. Check purchase history or email for the cancellation date so you aren't charged again. Apple usually allows the plan to run until period end. Then remove any payment methods you no longer want stored at Applid. Apple, calm under payment and shipping. If something goes wrong, like missing photos or lost backups, stop making changes, restore from your local backup if available, and contact Apple support quickly so they can help recover data before it's permanently removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.